Hi, my name is Tyler, and I'm the founder of Tribal Core, which is an internet strategy consultancy where we focus on search engine optimization, pay-per-click management, social media, analytics implementation and reporting, and more. And over the past 6 months or so, I've helped out a number of Ultracart clients with their web stats implementation, and that primarily includes Google Analytics, Google AdWords, and Google Analytics e-commerce. So we've done this successfully on the three main ways that Ultracart is set up. One is as a standalone site where all of your pages and your content and your items are hosted by Ultracart. Two is you have a main site, which could be on a platform like WordPress, and Ultracart then hosts all of your catalogs, your items, and the shopping cart itself. Or three, you have a full site on another platform and Ultracart is simply hosting the shopping cart itself. So therefore you have add to cart buttons on your main site and then that populates an Ultracart cart. So in all of these scenarios, what I highly recommend is that you purchase a secure site SSL certificate through an Ultracart vendor. You can just drop them an email and they'll put you in touch. The setup and the monthly fees are quite modest, and what this allows you to have is instead of having a store or a cart on secure.ultracart.com, it is now, for example, store.mysite.com. And the benefit of this is the ability to configure what is called subdomain tracking in Google Analytics. And this results in providing you very highly reliable and really useful data so that as people come into your main site and click over to your store and purchase something, then all that is connected and all of the data is tracked the entire way through that process. So if you get this in place, what sort of data can you expect? You can see where all of your traffic is coming from, be it referring sites such as a blog or a news site or a resource site, organic keyword searches in Google, Yahoo, and Bing, or another method like a MailChimp newsletter that you put out. You can also see how well this traffic is converting all the way down to the keyword level. So if you have a bunch of traffic that's coming in on an organic search for blue widgets, you can see how much of that traffic is coming in, if it's bouncing, if people are exiting, how long they spend on the site, and how many of those are actually converting, which is ultimately, if you're spending money on that traffic, going to give you a very reliable customer acquisition cost. As part of all this configuration through Google Analytics e-commerce, which Ultracart is properly integrated with, is e-commerce data, and that can include actual order totals, aggregate product sales, average order size, and much more. It's very robust data that allows you to make very smart decisions in where you're spending your time and your effort in marketing and getting traffic to your site. So again, all of this is tied to your traffic sources and all the other great metrics that you get by implementing analytics, AdWords, and analytics e-commerce. So how can I help you? Getting all this in place and testing it generally takes about 3 to 4 hours of consulting time, and I do offer a discount for Ultracart clients. And I've been really impressed with Ultracart. It has a lot of great functionality, and some of the key features, such as the affiliate program, are very well thought through and very deep. So what I can bring to the table is help you get some of this implementation in place that allows you to get good data for your decisions and really get the most out of using Ultracart. Long term, I can help you with analytics, reporting and analysis, pay-per-click management, search engine optimization, and more. So do feel free to get in touch. My email is mail, M-A-I-L, at tribalcore.com. My phone number is 805-715-9694. I'm on the West Coast here in Ojai, California, about 90 minutes north of Los Angeles. So feel free to get in touch. I look forward to talking to you, and thanks for the consideration.